This is a brand new 2013 Lincoln MKZ. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, heated front seats, an 11-speaker audio system, XM satellite radio, 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, a four-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Nick Mayer Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 24400 Center Ridge Road in Westlake.